Hello everyone, today I have brought a new video for you, and apart from studies, it is an unboxing video basically. In this video, I am going to unbox a graphic tablet. Basically, the company is XP Pen. The version I have purchased is Deco Mini 7 V2. It is a drawing tablet, but it can be used for study purposes and online teaching as well. And also, it has various advantages. That's why I have purchased it. So without wasting your time, let's unbox it. In the box, you are first going to get a Pentab. It has a decent size. The screen size which you are seeing, you can see the 4 markers on the Pentab, and these are the markers under which you are going to have your main work. The screen size is 7 inches and 4.37 inches. It is a decent size. The another advantage is it has 4 buttons which can be configured after downloading the driver in your PC. One thing I have noticed that there are few Pentab brands which do not provide screen protectors, but I have got a screen protector installed already, and it protects from the normal friction from day-to-day activities. Other advantage is it has 4 grips behind which can be used while you are writing, and it will provide a good grip on the Pentab. It is not a Bluetooth version, so we are getting a cable inside. This cable can be used to connect the Pentab to the mobile phone or in the PC. In order to connect the Pentab to mobile phone, you have to use a connector. The connector which is provided in the box is USB to C connector, C type connector. If your mobile phone does not contain C type charging, then you have to purchase another one because the C type connector is only provided. The second thing is, in order to change the nibs of the stylus, you are provided with certain nibs which can be used. Then the main thing is you are going to get a stylus which can be used for writing on the Pentab. There is one advantage of the Pentab, advantage of the stylus, that it is having a rubber grip which can be used while writing. And other advantage is it has 2 buttons. I don't know whether it is visible or not. There are 2 buttons which can be used as a mouse buttons as well. And if you want to change the functionality, then you can configure the buttons as well. You can see that there is one nib on the topmost part of the stylus. This nib can be changed with the help of a connector, and here is a nib remover. With this you can remove the nib of the stylus, you can see, just by tucking it out simply this way. So with this way you can remove and replace it with the new nib. So this much few things are you are going to get in the Pentab box. Apart from that, you are going to get some manuals and warranty card. You can register the model and you can get the warranty of the Pentab. At a decent price enough, you are going to get a Pentab which is compatible with mobile phone as PC. So that's why I have purchased this one. And these are all the items which are available, which you are going to provide it in the box. And in order to make the Pentab workable, you have to first install a driver in your PC. So let's go next to my PC and we'll understand how to download the driver and how to configure the buttons which are on the stylus and also on the Pentab. Guys, after unboxing, we have to install the driver in our PC. So first search the XP Pen drivers, and we have to search the model which you have purchased in order to download the driver. My model is Deco series pen tablet and the model number is Deco Mini 7 V2. When a new page appears,
there are three options available. First is for the Mac version, second is for the Windows, and third is for the Linux. So I have my Windows 10, so I will download the Windows version. There are three options available, and I prefer to download the latest version only so you can get updated. Once it get downloaded, install the driver. So guys, after installing, first open the application. Here you will see the interface. The 8 buttons are listed and the shortcut keys are also listed. You can change the configuration. For example, I have changed the first button as can be used as backspace. It can also be used for mouse control, etc. The second is the stylus section. You can change the pressure on the stylus. The more pressure you will apply, the thicker the lines will become, and little pressure will write a thinner line. You can change the configuration. I don't need any configuration because it is already preset and it is decent enough. The third is the setting option. Here you can also change the configuration, for example the export configuration, import configuration, according to your need. To show you the demo, I have opened OneNote by Microsoft. Here you can change the pan color and also change the fonts. And initially your writings won't be good enough, but it will take time for you. When you will practice, it will increase and it will improve significantly. So this much I have covered in this video, and if you have any doubt you can write in comment section, and I hope you will like this video. Thank you.